Good morning, everyone. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Forgive all the noise, but look, it's time to check out the plants for Sunday. See those? They look pretty. By this time next week, those plants will not be here anymore. See them? I'm going to mow them over with a lawnmower and clean it up. I know where I can get a couple of rakes, and that's what I'm going to do. I don't know what's in here. Maybe I'll stop showing these, because I really don't know what's in them. Anyway, there's a storm coming today, so I want to get this video before it starts raining. And I say, they just may bloom pretty soon. These are zinnias. Aren't they they're gonna be really pretty. There's the moonflowers, and it did grow a little. Not a lot, but the leaves are getting bigger. See, those and those. I think that too, it will be a moonflower someday. There's nothing in here just yet. See? Do. There's just supposed to be wildflowers, and nothing is still growing. Okay, let's walk over here. I thought I'd make you blurry for a minute. No, you don't have bad eyesight. Anyways, these are still growing, and so is this. I gotta go show you the tomatoes, and I'll do that in a minute. These are tomatoes. Can you see the leaves? They're exactly like the leaves on this tomato plant. See? They're exactly the same. Can you see them? These are tomatoes. I can see it. And look. They're starting to bloom. Look at that. They're beginning to get color on them. Now I know what color they are. Purple and pink. They're going to be pretty. Okay, and these are the sunflowers. Gotta back it up. Sunflowers. Sunflowers. These are nowhere near ready to be bloomed yet. They got a long way to go. But they have gotten taller. And look at this. See that? Can you see it? I don't have very good eyesight either, but those are going to be tomatoes one day. There are 4 of them on there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's one underneath there. You probably can't see it, but we will have tomatoes one day. And there's the stick. They're probably not good enough, but good enough for now. See? The marigolds. They're growing. They are growing. There's a marigold under here. And look, this marigold was dead. Look, I brought it back to life. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I got a feeling there's going to be more stuff growing in here. They just got to get caught up, right? Like I said, we're going to get an ugly storm. It's like 10 a.m. and look. Yep, I think we're going to get some rain. You know what that means? I won't have to water today. Nope. Anyway, see all the purple the pink flowers in here? These are actually starting to become very pretty. Look at those. I think they're actually quite beautiful. Now, and they belong there. Yep, all this stuff is gonna be cleaned up. It's a mess right at the moment, but like I said, it's gonna rain today. I think it might rain a little, not a ton, but yep. I gotta get a rake and I gotta get out the lawnmower. These plants are pretty, but they don't belong there. I'm gonna clean off all these chairs, because these chairs right here belong to that table. You know what I mean? That belongs to that table. See the umbrella when I was telling you it's starting to turn orange? Okay, let me finish. Sorry, I'm not editing any of this out. Anyway, sorry, the wind's blowing. Okay, let's see. See, it's orange. All this stuff needs to be cleaned off, and I'm gonna do so. There's dirt in this chair. I sprayed some Dawn on it, but it doesn't seem to be working, and it needs some cushions. It needs a cushion. Anyway, let me move around a little. There's our grill. My grill. Let's see, there's the table. Yeah, all this stuff's got to be cleaned up. Every bit of, I don't know how I'm going to get the leaves out from under those steps, but I will figure it out. Yes, I will. And all of this is going to be transformed into something really pretty. Yep, we have all summer to decorate, and so that's what I'm planning on doing. Anyway, I'm going to let you all go now, and I will see you in the next video. The next video, just a hint, I'm going to show you the new vacuum I bought. We're going to demonstrate it to show you how powerful it is. It's not. Okay, see you all later. Bye-bye. I love you bunches.